This is the elevator at the Robert S. Carey Student Center at St. Vincent College in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. It's a Dover Marshall Oildraulic Impulse. From the 90s sometime. Right? And you're geared up. Dropper's making some noise. Get through. Connect on the one. And your phone, it's like a doorbell style one. Different one. It's a basic paper grain laminate Dover cab from sometime between 1994 and 1999. This one doesn't say what number it is, so I don't know where this would be on the records. Go back at one. It just says elevator one there, but that's obviously wrong. It's actually the one rail. There's the Department of Fine Arts. I don't know what's back there though. They're closing. That's gonna be it.